Good morning, everyone. This morning, I would like to share with you another healing foods named Ido. Ido vegetable has high in complex carbohydrates and low in fats. Idos make tasty change to rice or potatoes. Also known as taro root, Idos are small, tropical root vegetable with a mild, nutty flavor, high in complex carbohydrates, and they are an excellent energy food and offer a delicious alternative to potatoes but with lower glycemic index. They are also a good source of potassium, which gives them a mild diuretic action. Once peeled, idos can be boiled, steamed, or roasted, or added to soups and casseroles. That's vegetable ido. And it has vitamins B1, B3, B5, B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, beta-carotene, folate, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, zinc, fiber, protein, complex carbohydrates. This can be also a replacement of rice. It is energy giving vegetable, and this is available in our country. That's all for about Ido. I hope I shared with you a little knowledge about healing foods, Ido. Thank you and God bless us all.